guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can buy a skin like on Valorant and how you can upgrade it. So make sure you have already filled your Valorant points and Radiant points too. They're just called Radiant. I don't know why I called them Radiant points. Anyways, go to the store and select the skin you want to buy. I'm just going to choose this one. I'm then just going to select buy item and select the item. Don't forget to equip skin. To upgrade it, I'm going to go to collection, go to this part here, and make sure you upgrade the animation here. Press OK, and you can also purchase it in another color, but I'm just going to choose this color. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!